Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper and profile picture in Windows 11. If you are bored of the default background or want to personalize your PC, this method will help you do it easily. So let's get started. First, go to your desktop and right-click on any empty space. Now tap on Personalize. Scroll down and click on Lock Screen. Here, you will see different options like Picture, Windows Spotlight, and Slideshow. You can select any option you want. If you want to use your own image, tap on Browse Photos. Now select the picture you want to set as your lock screen wallpaper. Once selected, your lock screen background will be updated. Now to change your profile picture, go back and click on Accounts from the left side. Then tap on your info. Here, you will see options like take a photo or choose a file. Tap on Browse Files and select the image you want to use as your profile picture. Once selected, your Windows profile picture will change automatically. So this is how you can change your lock screen wallpaper and profile picture in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.